Now see, in this sum it is given that if x cube plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0, then we have to find out x raised to 7 plus 64x square minus 100 is what? So as they are given as x cube plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0, first we'll shift all this to that side. So we'll get here x cube is equal to minus 4x plus 8. As we want x raised to 7, we can square here, squaring both the sides. After squaring, we'll get here x raised to 6 is equals to 16x square plus 64 minus 64x. So now we got here x raised to 6, but we have to find out x raised to 7. So we'll multiply by x to both the sides. So it becomes x into x raised to 6. And same way x is multiplied in this whole thing. So now in this we'll multiply it by x to the both the sides. So it becomes x raised to 7 is equals to 16x cube plus 64x and minus 64x square. Then we'll shift this minus 64x square to this side. So it becomes x raised to 7 plus 64x square, and in this we'll take 16 as common. So we'll get 16 x cube plus 4x, and now this will get as x raised to 7 plus 64x square, and this side it becomes 16 and x cube plus 4x. So already they are given as x cube plus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. We'll shift this minus 8 to this side. So it became x cube plus 4x equals to 8. So we'll use 8 over here. So next x raised to 7 plus 64x square will get as 128. When we'll shift this to this side, x raised to 7 plus 64x square minus 128 is equal to 0. But as we require to find x raised to 7 plus 64x square minus 100, so we'll make this as x raised to 7 plus 64x square minus 100 and minus 28 is equal to 0. So next step, it is x raised to 7 plus 64x square minus 100, and this minus 28 will shift to this side. So it becomes plus 28. So our required value is plus 28.